I won't give up. As long as I have air in my lungs, I can fight. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to give yourself a bold cup within this quarantine.
That I carry is drowning. For my value to go and be wasted on one not deserving the sun. They see they move, but they sleep in paralysis.
Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, if not, I will turn Super Saiyan to you right now. You don't like when I play this game.
What? What, am I supposed to say something? Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that? You look like a werewolf.
Hey, you donkey, you look like Grizzly Bear yourself.
It's okay. We'll fix that. You're 6 foot unprofessional barber. I'm going to be showing you how to give yourself the fade, bold fade, or if you want to call it a skin fade. So for next, you have to get your first guideline in. If you're struggling with getting your first guideline in, you can simply use one of these, like a elastic band or something of this sort that will help you out with that job. Me myself, I will use an elastic band. An important thing to know is when cutting your hair, when the lever is all the way up, then that means that the blade is closed. And when it's closed, your hair is going to fall off. It will cut all of your hair. It's gone. You know what I'm saying? It's gone. However, when the lever is all the way down, that means it's open. And when it's open, it will be kind of light. You know what I'm saying? It won't cut off too much hair. But yeah, that's one thing to keep in mind. The blade is closed completely. So guys, once you got your guideline done, your first guideline, you have to, it should look something like this. Then you've got to go ahead and cut your hair to your desired length. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting the waves to pop. So, getting the waves to pop, I'll make sure that I'm doing it to my degree, my standard. But you can join my own ride. You can join the journey as well. Yeah, so at this point, I've got my clippers all the way closed, and I'm going to have to cut my hair to my desired length. So I'm going to be using the number 1 guard, purely so I can get them waves popping. You know what I'm saying? Easy title. Easy title. So let's get to it. Okay, so now that I've got my first guideline done and my hair's cut down to the desired size, I'm gonna make a second guideline. It's gonna be about probably ½ an inch of a side of size going through there. I'm gonna make sure that the clippers are all the way closed. And with that, whoops, this is closed, all the way closed. And with that, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make my second guideline. Okay, so as you can see, I got my 3 levels here. And I was trying to blend that out. So in order to blend it out, I'm going to be using the same razor. I'm going to be using the same guard as well. I'm going to be using number 0.5. I'll be using a 0.5. And ultimately, I'm going to be blending them out. I like to use a comb as well. So I'm going to be blending off the top layer first, going through it slightly, bit by bit, with the level completely open. And then as I'm chipping it down, I'll be using the comb a little as well. So once you got the top bit faded off to a decent level, then you have to go onto the bottom guideline. You have to fade that out. So I'm going to be using no guard this time. Clippers all the way open, and yeah, I'm gonna do this right now. Flip. The whole mirror smashed. Oh snap! I'm bleeding. Flip. Bleeding. All the bleedings. Damn. Well, try. It's like there's been a murder scene here. Martin. Okay. Well, the video continues. I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to smash your mirror. But, you know, it's okay. Because greater tasks require greater sacrifices. I won't give up. As long as I have air in my lungs, I can fight. The mirror may have smashed. I may be bleeding poreless, endless blood. But one thing is saying always keeps, is his.
Whoa, okay, time out. Oh yeah. We're not gonna do that. Nah, lie.
What are you looking at? Huh? You think this is funny? Yeah, so after that, guys, you can go ahead and do your line work. I didn't really go through that in this tutorial purely because I was fixating on the skin fade or the bold fade. But yeah, this is the end result. So yeah. See, there's one thing that you don't know. What you didn't know is that was my second time I've ever given myself a trim. Now, second of all, what you didn't know is that I'm not even 6 foot. That being done, it's Godly Anime signing out.
Man said he ran with the juice, but the juice ain't the one. It belongs to a sauceless don. Eye-catching, the sweetest of ones. Make it taste bud and blossom like seasons to come with that cold influence. I'm all inclusive, sick to the tissue, blood, bone and juices. They don't know what I'm holding is sacred. Living water drip through with a little shampoo.